everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will start our new sketch modeling, that is surfaces modeling. As you can see here, these are the commands of surfaces like extrude surface, revolve surface and all. And here one common thing is that there is reference geometry, as you see here. Now let's start to begin it. Go to new, select part modeling. OK. Now here first go to settings, document properties, units, take millimeter gram second only, choose this only. Click OK. Now go to right plane, sketch, make here one geometry, take line command from sketch, select the point of origin, draw the lines. Now here make arc, take 3-point arc, draw 2 arcs here. Take center line from sketch command, make it from origin point. Now give all the dimensions. Here take line as 17.53 mm. And this arc take 22.34 mm radius. Adjust this arcs in proper way. Give smart dimension. Take this radius as 5 mm. Select this point and this point. Take 8 mm. Click OK. Now here again one dimension is left that we will give. Select this point and this center line. Make here 29.37 mm distance. OK. Adjust this properly. Now here go to display delete relations. Select add relation. First this arc and this line. Make the relation tangent. OK. Now you can see this arc is now fully defined with this line. Now go to display delete relation, add relation, select this arc and this arc, make it tangent. See, our relation has applied here. in existing relations. Click OK. Now we have to make this on another side. So we will use mirror entities. Select this arc and this arc, and last one is line. Mirror about vertical axis. You can see our preview here. Click OK. Our sketch is now fully defined. Now click OK, exit. Now go to extrude surface, select the lines, change the direction, and here take end condition as mid plane. Take here 53.68 mm from mid plane, end condition. Click OK. Now here go to reference geometry, plane. Select here vertex point and scroll down this portion. Take top plane. OK. Now here our plane is created. Select this plane, sketch, normal to profile. Now here go to line command. Choose this vertex point as shown. Draw lines here. Make sure it will be vertical. OK. Take line. Take trim entities, trim to closest. OK. Now take here sketch fillet. Take the radius as 9 mm. Select the vertex point, this and this, because we have to create both the radius on corners. So that's why I have applied here. Click OK. Now here we have to give some distance. So I will go to smart dimension. Select this point and this line. Now take here 112 mm, 0.06 divided by 2. Now again take the dimension. This time make 56.03 divided by 2. that is this 28.02 mm. Exit. Now hide this plane. Now again go to reference geometry, select plane. Now first reference, scroll down here, take right plane, select this vertex point as second reference. OK. Now here select this plane, sketch. Use convert entities in sketch command tool manager. Select this edge, click OK. Now here take exit. This time I will go to surfaces, select swept surface. See, our arc is selected as sketch. Now path I will choose these lines. Our surface is created, swept surface. Just click on OK. Now hide this plane. You see here there is a empty space left. Now here we have to fill this. Go to filled surface. Select the edges only. All the edges. Click OK. Now again choose field boundary. Select the edges. Select the edges. Yeah, now our filled portion is applied here, as you can see. So click on OK. We have to make this surface on another side. So go to features, take mirror. Choose here right plane, bodies, select here bodies to mirror. Only choose surface sweep mirror. Click OK. Now again go to mirror. Select bodies to mirror at surface, but it not selects it, so let it be. Go to surface command. Use field surface. Select the edges. Our surface has filled, so click OK. Now our model has been almost completed. Only two commands are left that we have to given. Take night surface from surface commands. Select all the bodies so that we will make it all combine. Click on OK. Now all the surfaces are now in combined shape. You can see here. Go to trim. It selects all the body portion as you see here. See, exit this. Now we will add here some thicknesses to make it solid. So go to surfaces, thinken, select the body and make thickness as 0.43 mm. Click OK. Now our body has been, so make it solid. Now select this surface, sketch. Go to straight slot in sketch. Make here one slot. Select smart dimension. Select this edge and this line, but it could not be selected, so make it the radius, or keep as it is. Go to exit. Now go to features, extrude cut. Extrude, make end condition as through all. End condition. OK. We have given here for camera, means our mobile phone camera, that will be placed here, and this is for camera look. Now if you want to give any appearances, you can give as per your choice. So I will go to appearances. Choose here pattern. Take this, or as you want you can change your by it yourself. I will select here wood, underscroll wood, beach. Now here I will use a logo. So go to decals in appearances, logos. I will select here this. Drag this into one surface. See here it applies. If you want to give the dimension, you can give by going on mapping. Take here 50 mm and this will be 18, or you can change the angle. Go to 90 degree, take. See here our logo has been applied. Hide the origin. Now here also you can apply it by selecting, drag this logo, place it here, go to mapping, take 50 mm and the 18 mm as horizontal and vertical distances. Angle will be, I prefer as 90 degree so that it looks good. Click left click. Now the dimensions has been applied here. Click OK. If you want to give any background, you can give by your own choice. I will prefer as plain white. Now see, it looks better. Thank you for watching it. Share our channel with your friends, and if you like it, then please give one like so that we will feel happy. Share it to your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching it. Stay blessed. Bye bye.